everyone, my name is Ariel Guerrero and you may call me Ariel. In this video I explain how I prepare a wood panel for painting in oils. In this method I use high quality acrylic dispersion grounds of the Golden brand. I am not sponsored by them, but their products are very good and have been recommended by many experts in the field. Also, I am combining the recommendations of this page called Mitra, Materials Information and Technical Resources for Artists, plus the information of the manufacturers at Golden. So, let's get started. Materials. First, your wood panel. What wood should you buy? The best is hardwood, and if you can find it, get tempered hardwood. If you can't find hardwood, you can use medium density fiber board, or MDF. This one is cheaper and easier to find. You can have them both cut at whatever size you want. Second, 2 foam rollers. One for the gack and another for the acrylic ground, and rubbing alcohol, and something to apply it. Third, the acrylic dispersion to size the wood. I use Golden GAC 100. And fourth, an acrylic ground that will bond to the oils. I use Golden acrylic gesso. It should be noted that in spite of the word gesso being used, this is not real gesso like most artists used 100 years ago. Actually, many artists still use the materials of the old masters, in spite of the existence of new, much better stuff. Go figure. This acrylic gesso with quotes is a high quality ground for painting with either oils or acrylics. I will use it to paint it with oils. Okay, so now that we have our materials, we can start with the process. Step 1. I degrease the wood with denatured alcohol. This is just regular rubbing alcohol that you buy at your local hardware store. You want to wear gloves for this so you don't add grease from your hands. Step 2 is optional at this point. You can sand the panel with a 200 to 300 grit sandpaper, so you add a little tooth to the panel. Although in my experience this is not crucial. If you decide to sand, you will release dust, so do it in a well ventilated place or wear a mask. Step 3. I size the wood with 2 coats of GAC 100. I do this on the floor, on the back of a large whiteboard, and I apply them with a foam roller. GAC 100 dries really fast, so in a few minutes I'm ready to apply the next coat. 2 coats should be enough, but they should be applied to both sides. Remember to wash the roller with water when you're done, so the roller won't get hardened. Step 4. I apply the acrylic gesso. This time I will apply a single coat on the back and 4 coats on the front. Remember to wash the roller with water when you're done, so the roller won't get hardened. After the last layer is dry to the touch, you can apply a little water sanding to even out the texture. The acrylic dispersions are water-based, and this is important because we don't want any water mixing with the oils, otherwise we might have problems later. The way to avoid that the water gets mixed with the oils is to let the panel dry for at the very least 3 days, and ideally no less than 2 weeks before you use them. Now, if you will paint with acrylics, you may start painting right away, but if you will paint with oils, then you really want to wait for at the very least 3 days and 2 weeks ideally. I have several other painting videos that may be useful for you. I will continue to upload more videos about techniques and materials, so I suggest you to subscribe to my channel. Please give me a like by clicking in the thumbs up below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to click on the thumbs up to say you like this video. Subscribe to this channel by clicking the red button, and click the bell to receive a notification when I upload a new video. Visit me in social networks, Facebook, Instagram and DeviantArt, and in my website www.arielrgh.com. Thanks for watching!